And you can notice, even you can able to edit the M codes beginning and the ending codes as well. It is an editable the programming thing. And it's not just that. It is not just limited to the extracting the codes. This particular technology, what I am talking about is, it is called as DriveWorks. Like in many organizations, day in, day out, we will be doing repetitive work. Correct, right? Same design, but there is a small change in its dimension. Or in terms of capacity wise, we need to scale up that. Once we scale up, all the other parameters gets updated. Correct, right? Again, we need to recreate individual parts, we need to recreate a sub-assemblies, and we need to generate the drawings, and we need to create again the quotation for that. We need to share the quotations to our costing we need to do and share the quotations to the customers. Same kind of work, but different customer with slightly different parameters. Correct, right? So to automate this process, there is a software called DriveWorks. So you can see it in this particular video, same but different designs. You can give input values, automatically it will calculate, sorry, and it will provide you the results. Whether if you are in aerospace or if you are in medical devices or industrial equipments, in whichever industry vertical you are in, this particular technology will help you out. You can configure and automate SolidWorks with this particular technology. So you can notice within the SolidWorks user interface, there is a left side where you can create this kind of interface. I need a prop stand, I need a ramp. You can click, automatically it will update in the SolidWorks. No need to fetch the models and drag and drop and assemble. In a click of a button, you can pre-create everything as and when required, you can add that. Even we can specify the quantity, everything, sizes, everything we can customize. For this, there should be a master model first. Once the master model is done, it is our thing to specify the code, means like we need to write that which are all the parameters should be driven in the DriveWorks for configurations. So that when we input, it will provide me the output for that. So once you specify the input parameters, in the click of a button, it will generate a separate file and it will generate automatic drawings also. So if you consider this, almost 90 to 95% of your job will be done if you properly use this technology called SolidWorks DriveWorks. For this, same design should be there but different values, or any additions or any subtractions to the existing drawings, something like this. So if it is there, we can automate the process of doing the configurations and automate the design process. That is SolidWorks DriveWorks. Are we good so far? Yes? Yeah. So this is SolidWorks DriveWorks.